What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really feeling this hair today. Like, get ready for this video. I tried something new. I did a side part. I did little curls. I'm really excited for you guys to watch it actually, because I feel like I haven't been liking my wigs lately, but this one we just took a 180 in the complete opposite direction. So keep watching if y'all want to know where I got these 30 inches from. Like, this is a long wig, okay? And if you guys want to know what I think about the quality, keep watching if you want my complete, total, real opinion on this hair. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds. Okay, so what I'm finna show y'all should be illegal, but I'm gonna just get out of the way. Okay, this ain't even the funny part. This is just, oh my gosh, her lace, yes. But bitch, but girl, we have some work. We got our work cut out for us today, okay? We're gonna like bring this wig back to life. But on the plus side, this tends to be y'all favorite type of video, so I'm hoping y'all are gonna like this again, because y'all know how I get lazy. We got 30 inches of hair from Asteria hair, and y'all know everybody raves about their straight hair, including Slayed by Jordan, and y'all know he's the guru. So if he the guru, I had to ask for 30 inches, so I asked for it, period. And here we are. We're gonna give it a makeover. Ignore everything you see right now. This is not real. This is fake news. We're moving on to the real install. I put this video off way too long, okay? Because now my hair's messed up. And now look at me looking stupid. I promise I'll be cute in a second. So the first step is always gluing back down the lace. So we're gonna do that real quick. And then I'll be back, and then we get to decide on styling together. Like, that's the fun part, right? Okay, so the next step is styling. Now that we have the wig back installed, I was thinking about changing it to a side part because I don't like the middle part, because I feel like it's a little like puffy, and I've hot combed this down so many times. I don't like, it's not really flat to my head like I want it to be, so I'd rather do a side part, but I don't know if it's gonna come out good, and I'm really hoping it is. Okay, so here's our side part. The first step, as always, is to go in with the wax stick. I've been using this one for like a few weeks now, and nobody's asked any questions about it, surprisingly, but I feel like they might kind of all work the same. So the next step is to just hot comb all of this down. Right off the bat, I love how flat it's getting. The middle part just wasn't doing it for me, and I love middle parts, so that's weird. So next, I'm gonna straighten up my part a little bit. I don't really like where it's at. Okay, now that we have the hair hot combed and everything, I'm gonna go on and do my baby hairs because I decided I want some suddenly. So to do that, I'm gonna just pull out the hairs. Y'all know how to do baby hairs, just watch. I'm not even gonna talk. Okay, so this is all the baby hairs I'm gonna do because I don't want no more baby hairs. I just want this one side. So let me wrap this up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so the hair stayed pretty straight, so I'm gonna just touch it up with the flat iron. And I'm honestly thinking about adding a little curl to it, but I'm gonna show y'all in a second what I'm going for. I love how heavy this hair is, and it's really, really silky. Y'all know I love that. Okay, now that the hair is flat ironed, I'm going to attempt to put a curl in it. Just like a little curl in the front at the ends. I feel like it'd be kind of cute. And also I saw it somewhere and now I want to try it. So I'm just gonna take like this section and attempt to put like a little curl in the end. Okay. Okay, yes, like this at the ends. Okay, this is actually turning out really cute. And this is the last section. I just wanted it in the front so it'll frame my face a little bit. So I'm gonna show you how it came out. I'm sorry about the angle. It's hard to fit everything in this new lens. But yeah, this is how it came out. And then I'm gonna brush them out once they're cooled off a little bit. And then I'm gonna do it on this side too. If I remember, I'm gonna include the picture that inspired me, but I really like how hers looks, and it's kind of just like this. Now we can take off this hair tie. Okay, next I'm using a foundation from Fenty Beauty to conceal my part, because the thing with Asteria hair is that they send these really thick parts, and I don't really like that because you either need to pluck it or conceal it like I'm doing, or it's gonna look way too thick. Okay, that's pretty much it as far as styling this hair. So before I let y'all go, I want to show y'all like all 30 inches of this hair, because that's kind of like an important part of it. So I'm gonna stand up and show y'all the back and like how far it comes and all of that good stuff, like I always do. But yeah, all in all, I'm in love with the hair 100%. It looks so pretty, and I hate side parts, but I feel like I actually did it right this time by adding the little curl. The lace was a little dark for me, but I feel like I got it lightened to a point where that's not really the issue no more. That is my only con out of anything on this hair. Another thing I will say is that I kind of didn't like how thick it was on the lace. I feel like the lace should be a little thinner, because I've had this same experience with Asteria hair before where it's a little too thick and it doesn't get as flat as I want it to. That could be fixed with plucking your part. I'm not into that, so I will never be doing that, but if that's really your concern, then you can definitely pluck your part. Other than that, I have nothing bad to say about the hair. I love how thick it is for 30 inches. It's kind of awkward at the front with the short frontal, but with these curls, that's not even a problem. Like, you can't tell anymore, and it's no longer like distracting from the hair. But if you're new, don't forget to join the Pretty gang and press the subscribe button and notification bell. We get shit popping, we raw, all of that. Get like us, period. And if you've already pressed that, then thank you very much. Enjoy your day. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.